Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off autoplay next video on YouTube mobile app. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. To begin, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your account icon from the top right corner of the screen. Then go to Settings. Now select Autoplay. Here you will find Autoplay next video. Simply tap the slider to turn it off. That's it. From now on, when you finish a video, another won't play automatically. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.